Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: punctilious, Punctilious. Denouement, Denouement. Punctilious, showing great attention to detail or correct behavior. Synonyms: careful, diligent, attentive, stiff, ultra careful, observant, strict, particular, good eye, precise. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: casual, easygoing, careless, informal, uncaring. All these words can be related to antonyms. Denouement, the end result of a situation. Synonyms: outcome, upshot, consequence, result, climax, finale, conclusion, completion, last act, final curtain. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: beginning, start, opening, commencement. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the film's denouement was unsatisfying and ambiguous. Oracular, Oracular. Construe, Construe. Oracular, mysterious and difficult to understand but probably wise. Synonyms: unclear, obscure, confusing, ambiguous, mysterious, forecasting, significant, cryptic, apocalyptic. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: structured, unambiguous, clear, comprehensible, unequivocal. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: with this oracular sentence, John was well satisfied. Construe, interpret a word or action in a particular way. Synonyms: understand, read, see, take, analyze, render, demonstrate, explain, expound, interpret. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: obscure, confuse, cloud, fail, misunderstand, nullify, neutralize. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: any changes to the plan would be construed as indecision. Evanescent, Evanescent. Promulgate, Promulgate. Evanescent, lasting for only a short time, then disappearing quickly and being forgotten. Synonyms: fleeting, vanishing, temporary, momentary, passing, brief. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: ceaseless, dateless, endless, enduring, everlasting. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Sadhguru guided us what is eternal and evanescent in life. Promulgate, to making known to many people by open declaration or make widely known. Synonyms: make known, spread, advertise, announce, declare, publish, publicize. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: keep quiet, gather, conceal, refrain, hide, keep, withhold. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the law was promulgated in May 2020. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.